The world survives because of the rains, and therefore rain is known to be the nectar of immortality. O rain, you not only create everything we eat, you are the indispensable food yourself. If the skies fail to rain, the world, though surrounded by sea, will yet suffer of hunger. If the monsoons fail, farmers won't till their lands to produce food. It is the tormentor. It is the saviour of the tormented. The rain is everything for us. Unless drops of precious rain fall down, not even grass will sprout its head. Even the vast ocean will start shrinking if the clouds that took the water away from it don't pour it back. Special offerings and daily rituals to gods will stop if the skies dry up. Charity and penance will both cease to exist in this world if the clouds are not charitable. World can't survive without water, and morality can't exist without rains.